this is Nina, and today we are at the seaside, and you can see the scenery is very beautiful. Hi, our X10 electric scooter engineered to conquer outload terrain and here with ease, but X10 is the upgrade version of our X9, so its basic function is very similar. You can check. Yes. Turn on it. You can see our LED display screen. You can see the power light and the current speed and the speed mode in our LED screen. Double brake system. Yes. And there. Very clear. So its basic function very similar like our S9, but X10 electric scooter climbing angle is 30. So let me show you our new product, X10 electric scooter selling point. Point is our double spring shock absorption in the front and the rear. Yes, as you can see, so make you feel comfortable during riding. And our X10, the fourth selling point is battery. Yes, our battery is under the pedal, and its battery can be removed and replaced. One battery max can go 100 kilometers. It's very long, and our X10 battery is 20.8 Ah. Our X10 final selling point is most important. Our X10 has double model. Yes, will be installed the front tire and the rear tire. Two 600 motor, no brush, high-speed power motor.